Swimming competition.
The pool is almost full, and the race board looks ready.
Yes, I feel nervous, but I am also excited to swim today.
Your lane number is 5, right? Next to the red flag?
Yes, lane 5 is mine, and your lane is 6.
Great. Then we can stand near the same starting area.
That helps because I do not want to miss the first whistle.
Have you warmed up your arms and legs yet?
Not enough, so I want to stretch for 2 more minutes.
Good idea, because a fast start can make your body tight.
I know, and I want to stay calm before the race.
Remember to breathe after every 3 strokes, like we practiced.
Thanks, that simple rule really helps me keep a steady rhythm.
After the race, we can check our times on the big screen.
Yes, and even if I am not first, I want a better time.
That is a smart goal because progress is more important today.
I agree, and I want to finish strongly without stopping.
The coach is looking this way, so the race may start soon.
Then let's put on our swim caps and goggles now.
My goggles feel loose. Can you check the strap quickly?
It looks fine now, but press it gently around your eyes.
Thanks. It feels safer and more comfortable now.
Perfect, listen carefully because the first whistle is very close.
The scoreboard is clear, so everyone can see the final result.
Good, because my family is watching from the seats behind us.
Here we go. And after this race, we will know our real level.
Yes, and tomorrow we can train for the next competition.
English speaking practice.
Let's practice English for 10 minutes before class starts.
Good idea, because speaking is still the hardest skill for me.
We can begin with simple daily questions and short answers.
That sounds useful, and I will try not to translate first.
Great. I will ask slowly, and you can answer in full sentences.
Okay, please start with an easy question.
What do you usually do after school on Mondays?
I usually go home, eat a snack, and review my notes.
Nice answer, and you used usually in the right place.
Thanks, but I sometimes pause when I forget one word.
That is normal, so use another simple word and keep speaking.
I like that because stopping makes me feel more nervous.
Now ask me a question about weekend plans.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my aunt and watch a movie at home.
Good. And your answer sounded natural and clear.
Let's practice ordering food, because that is useful outside class.
All right, I will be the customer and you can ask the questions.
What would you like to drink with your meal?
I would like water, please, and maybe a small coffee later.
Excellent. You answered politely and used would like well.
I feel better already because this practice is simple and friendly.
Write 3 useful phrases in your notebook after we finish.
I will because I remember words better when I write them.
Tomorrow we can practice asking for directions in the city.
Yes, that will help me speak faster in real life.
Bus ticket office.
Good morning. Where would you like to travel today?
I need one ticket to Lake Town, please.
Of course. Do you want the morning bus or the afternoon bus?
The morning bus is better because I need to arrive before lunch.
There is a bus at 9:30 and another one at 10:15.
I will take the 9:30 bus if seats are still available.
Yes, there are several seats, and window seats are open too.
Great. I would like a window seat near the front.
Okay, seat number 8 is near the front door.
That works well, and how long does the trip take?
It takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes with normal traffic.
Okay, and does the bus stop near the city center?
Yes, the final stop is beside the main square.
Perfect, because my hotel is close to that area.
Do you have any luggage to put under the bus?
Only one small suitcase, so it should be easy.
That is fine, and the driver will help you at the platform.
How much is the ticket today?
It is $12, and you can pay by card or cash.
Card, please, because I do not have enough cash.
Please tap your card here and wait for the ticket to print.
Done. And which platform should I use?
Would you like a return ticket or only one way today?
Only one way today because I am coming back with my brother. And the line outside is getting longer at the door now.
Platform 3 and boarding starts 15 minutes before departure.
Thank you. Now I can wait there without feeling lost.
Apartment contract questions.
Welcome. Please sit down and ask any questions about the contract.
Thank you. I read most of it, but some parts are new to me.
That is very normal, and we can look at each part together.
First, I want to understand the rent payment date.
The rent is due on the 5th day of each month.
Okay, and can I pay by bank transfer?
Yes, bank transfer is best because it gives a clear record.
Good. And what should I write as a payment note?
Please write your full name and the apartment number.
That is simple, and I will save it in my banking app.
Great. The next important part is the deposit.
I saw that it is 1 month of rent, right?
Yes, and it is returned if there is no damage when you leave.
I understand, and I will take care of the apartment.
There are also quiet hours from 10 at night to 7 in the morning.
That's fine because I usually sleep early on weekdays.
Pets are not allowed, but small plants are completely fine.
That is okay. I do not have a pet, only 2 plants.
Perfect. And the contract is for 1 year.
Can I ask for renewal before the year ends?
Yes, please ask at least 1 month before the end date.
That sounds fair, and I think everything is clear now.
Small repairs are reported online and urgent problems can be called in.
That is helpful because I want to know what to do quickly.
Good. Please sign here after you read the last page.
Thank you for explaining it slowly and clearly.
Ordering fish and chips.
Hello, welcome to the counter. What would you like to order?
I would like 1 fish and chips meal, please.
Sure. Would you like regular fish or the larger piece?
Regular is fine because I am not extremely hungry today.
All right. And do you want your chips with salt and vinegar?
Yes, a little salt and a little vinegar, please.
Of course. And we have tartar sauce or ketchup on the side.
I will take tartar sauce because it goes well with fish.
Good choice. And would you like a drink with your meal?
A cold lemonade would be nice.
Do you want to eat here or take the meal away?
I will eat here because I like the table near the window.
That table is free, so you can sit there after you pay.
Great. And how long will the food take?
About 7 minutes, because we cook the fish fresh.
That is fine. Fresh food is worth waiting for.
Your total is $9.20.
Here is my card, and could I have 1 extra napkin?
Of course, I will put 2 napkins on the tray.
Thank you, that is helpful.
Would you like a fork or will you eat with your hands?
A fork, please, because the fish may be too hot at first.
Your order number is 16, and I will call it soon.
Perfect. I will sit by the window and wait.
City library tour.
Welcome to the city library. Is this your first visit here?
Yes, I just got my library card this morning.
Great. Then I can show you the main areas quickly.
Thank you, because the building looks bigger than I expected.
The fiction books are on the left near the large windows.
I like novels, so that section will be useful for me.
The study desks are upstairs, and that area is very quiet.
Good, because I need a calm place to do homework.
Computers are on the first floor, and you can use them for 1 hour.
Do I need to reserve a computer before using it?
Usually, yes, but today 2 computers are free.
That is good to know because I may need one later.
The children's section is at the back with colorful chairs.
I can see it from here, and it looks bright and friendly.
We also have English books for beginners near the information desk.
That sounds perfect because I want easier reading practice.
You can borrow 3 books at a time with your new card.
How long can I keep them?
You can keep them for 3 weeks, and renewal is possible online.
Excellent. That makes borrowing books simple.
Before you leave, I can show you the self-checkout machine.
Yes, please, because I want to learn how it works.
The library closes at 8 on weekdays and 6 on Saturdays.
That schedule is useful because I often study after dinner.
Just scan the card first, then scan each book slowly.
Thanks, this tour makes the library much easier to understand.
Doctor Checkup.
Please come in and sit on the chair by the desk.
Thank you. I am here for my regular checkup today.
Good. I will ask a few simple questions first.
Sure, I can answer them.
Have you had any pain, fever, or strong tiredness this week?
No fever, but I felt a little tired after work.
How many hours do you usually sleep at night?
About 6 hours, but sometimes less when I study late.
Sleep is important, so try to keep a regular bedtime.
I understand, and I know my sleep needs to improve.
Now I will check your blood pressure and your pulse.
Okay, should I put my arm on the table?
Yes, keep it relaxed and do not move for a moment.
All right, I will stay still.
Your blood pressure looks normal today.
That is good news because I was a little worried.
Do you exercise during the week?
I walk 3 times a week, but I do not run much.
Walking is a good start. And you can add more slowly.
That sounds possible because I enjoy walking in the park.
I will write a short note for your next visit in 6 months.
Great. And do I need any medicine today?
If your tiredness continues, please call the clinic again next week.
I will, and I will try to sleep earlier this week.
No medicine is needed, but drink water and rest well.
Thank you. I feel much better after this checkup.
Concert hall entrance.
Good evening. May I see your ticket for the concert?
Of course, here is the ticket on my phone.
Thank you. I will scan the code now.
Is everything okay with the ticket?
Yes, it is valid, and your seat is in row D.
Great. Is row D close to the stage?
Yes, it is quite close, but not too loud.
That sounds perfect because I want to see the musicians clearly.
The entrance to your section is on the right side.
Thanks. And can I bring this small bottle of water inside?
Yes, water is allowed, but food is not allowed in the hall.
I do not have any food with me.
Please keep your phone on silent during the concert.
I will because I do not want to disturb anyone.
Photos are allowed before the concert, but not during the songs.
I understand, and I will follow the rules.
The concert starts in 10 minutes, so you have time to find your seat.
Good, because I like sitting down before the lights go dark.
There is a program paper on the small table near the door.
Nice. I want to read the song list before it starts.
If you need the restroom, it is next to the stairs.
Thank you. That is useful to know.
There is also a coat room if your jacket feels heavy.
Thanks, but I will keep it with me for now.
Enjoy the concert and please enter through the right door.
Thanks for your help. I am excited for the first song.
Lost phone charger.
I see you looking under the table. Did you lose something?
Yes, I cannot find my phone charger anywhere.
When did you last use it?
I used it here after lunch, then I put it in my bag.
Maybe it is in the side pocket, not the main pocket.
I checked the main pocket, but not the small side pocket.
Look there first, because small things often hide there.
Wait, there is only my pen and a receipt inside.
Okay, let's think carefully and not panic.
I need the charger tonight because my battery is almost dead.
Did you go to the library after lunch?
Yes, I sat near the window for about an hour.
Maybe you plugged it in beside the study table.
That is possible because I remember using the wall socket.
We can walk back there and check before the library closes.
Good idea, but what if someone took it?
Then we can ask the front desk if anyone found a charger.
All right, that sounds like a good plan.
Do you have a photo of the charger or its color?
It is white and the cable has a small blue mark.
That detail will help if we ask for it.
Thanks for helping me. Because I felt stressed a minute ago.
The library closes in 20 minutes, so we should go now.
Yes, let's hurry before the doors are locked for the evening.
No problem. And next time, maybe keep it in one special pocket.
Yes, after today, I will never leave it on a table again.
Coffee with a coworker.
This cafe is quiet, so it is a good place for a short break.
Yes, I needed fresh air after the long morning meeting.
What are you going to order?
I think I will get a small black coffee.
I may choose tea, because I already had coffee at home.
That is smart, because too much coffee makes me nervous.
How is your new project going this week?
It is busy, but I am learning many new things.
That is good. And the first weeks are usually the hardest.
Yes, especially when there are many emails every morning.
I can show you a simple folder system if you want.
That would help, because my inbox looks messy now.
No problem. We can look at it after lunch.
Thanks, and I can help you with the report charts later.
That would be great because charts take me a long time.
We make a good team when we share small tasks.
I agree, and work feels easier with friendly coworkers.
Do you have any meetings this afternoon?
Only one short meeting at 3 o'clock with the sales team.
Then you still have time to finish the customer notes.
Yes, and coffee will help me focus again.
Our drinks are ready, so let's take them to the window table.
The manager also asked for a short update before Friday.
I remember, and I will send my part tomorrow morning.
Good idea. And after this break, I will answer my emails calmly.
Me too, and tomorrow we can try the cafe across the street.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.